The Xiepu SP-112H2020-ND4 precision linear motor winding machine has outstanding performance. It adopts a high-performance motion controller with high precision, high speed, and fast response, providing a solid control foundation for efficient operation. The equipment's process rigidity has been deeply optimized, and its structure has been specially treated to ensure high repeatability and operational stability. It can meet strict, high-precision requirements and maintain stable performance during long-term use or when dealing with complex tasks. Its core advantages are significant: high rigidity, stable structure, excellent precision, and convenient operation. For linear motor coil winding, the efficiency of a single machine is 4 to 5 times that of traditional ones, greatly improving efficiency and reducing time costs. Traditional winding machines have poor wire arrangement, require auxiliary adjustments, and have cumbersome and time-consuming demolding processes. This winding machine effectively solves these problems. Linear motor coils require compact and neat arrangement on both sides to achieve high slug rate and large output. Otherwise, many problems will be caused. This winding machine can arrange the coils precisely, making it the preferred choice for high-demand manufacturing. In terms of operation, after parameter setting, it is simple. Employees can take out the parts by pressing the start button, and after the tailstock exits, new employees can master basic operations in about 10 minutes of training, reducing dependence on proficiency and lowering training costs. Its design concept is to lower the operation threshold. After debugging, ordinary employees can stably produce high-quality products, saving labor costs and improving quality stability. Xiepu with you, work together, benefit all.